Have you ever wondered what the next generation career looks like? Is it in the office, on the factory floor, or something else entirely? Welcome to Global Notes by JP, and today we're going to discuss the following. First, why factories are humming while headcount isn't. Output up, payroll flat. Second, how AI is wiping out the first rung of white-collar work. The intern and analyst tasks that used to train you. Third, what actually rebuilds a middle class now? New-collar skills, stable rules, and smarter capex, not nostalgia. Quick context. Auto production is regional. Parts often move among the US, Canada, and Mexico before final assembly. Stay to the end. I'll highlight 3 high-potential roles set up for the next generation and why they win. Something strange is happening in America. Factories are going up. Office lights are going out. Skilled trades are scarce. Desk jobs feel replaceable. This isn't a culture fight. It's a capital and technology flip. And it changes where opportunity lives for your kids. Over the last few years, companies poured money into chips, batteries, and advanced manufacturing. But the job count didn't follow the cranes. Modern lines run on robots, CNC, sensors, and software. A few highly skilled people now do what 20 used to do. Tariffs raise the drawbridge. Automation builds the castle. When inputs get pricier and supply looks risky, managers don't add bodies. They add machines, because machines scale with code and hit the same tolerance all night. That's great for output. It doesn't bring back the old payroll. Meanwhile, the office story flipped. Vacancy climbs, PowerPoint teams shrink. Clients want outcomes, not armies. Here's the new reality for white-collar work. I is eating the first rung of the ladder. Summarize the meeting. Draft the memo. Clean the dataset. Build the first deck. A bot does the first draft. A smaller human team does the final 20%. Result: fewer entry-level seats, tougher starts, flatter orgs. So yes, blue-collar dream. Higher leverage per worker, cleaner floors, better pay for mastery. And yes, white-collar nightmare. Fewer entry points, less tolerance for maybe work. Here's the part nobody says out loud. Policy can move factories. Technology decides the jobs. Reshoring isn't rewinding, it's retooling. There's also a ticking clock. Masters of the old trades are retiring. We have 5 to 10 years to replace them, not with generic degrees, but with apprenticeship, proof of work, and time on the machine. What actually works now? Keep rules stable so companies invest with confidence. Double down on R&D and rapid prototyping. Treat new-collar skills with the same status as white-collar diplomas, because the new blue-collar isn't blue. It's code, KM, and calibration. Here's the bottom line. Factories are coming home, but headcount isn't. Trades are scarce, talent wins, offices are overbuilt. Soft skills without hard outputs won't save you. If you want macro that cuts past the headlines, the second-order story behind jobs and money, subscribe to Global Notes by JP. Now, as promised, here are 3 roles that are well set up for the next generation, and why. CNC programmer turns designs into toolpaths. As automation spreads, one great programmer multiplies the output of every machine on the floor. Industrial maintenance, mechatronics technician, keeps robots, conveyors, and sensors at a high uptime. When this role is strong, the whole plant runs. Electromechanical robotics technician starts, teaches, and troubleshoots robot cells. Adds capacity fast as smart cells multiply. That's how the next generation turns skills into options, without waiting on yesterday's ladders. This is Global Notes by JP. If this helped, subscribe and share it with someone choosing their path right now.